Well, good morning. Day 2 Hotrod Power Tour. We're in some small town outside of Bowling Green, about 20 miles. It's the only place we can find a hotel. Morgantown. Yeah. Anyways, up, getting ready for the day. It's another nice, beautiful day. Seems to be like one of those really nice Michigan days in late August when fall's out here, but it's nice. I'm not complaining. Anyways, let's look over the Impala and see if there's anything wrong with it. First glance, nothing really terrible. Looks like our header is not cooked with oil anymore, so that's good. And our little fix we did the other night is holding up. I just went for a drive, so got coolant in there, that's good. Check the oil, should be all good. So everything checks out with the Impala, checked out Angus. We're on the road, as you can tell. We're gonna go get some breakfast. And we got about a 2.5 hour drive to Lebanon. So we'll see you there. We're on the way. Sale. Casey's. Well, breakfast is done. We're on the move, so let's do the time lapse and cue up the music. Oh, Justin just did a Bernie. I missed it. I recorded. All right, right up behind you. There you go. So that's what it's about right there. You got the kids and out here enjoying it, getting all free goodies and gifts and everything. shit. It is. It is. I'm going. We are in the small town of Springfield. We just stopped at a grocery store right there. Got some stuff, loading up the cooler for Angus. Got the purple car right there, Bam Bam. And Justin's getting his tires balanced again because he lost another wheel weight because, you know, Walmart service tech decides to mount them on the outside just barely. Anyways. So he's doing that, we're getting lunch, we're loading up supplies, cleaning up stuff, and just enjoying the journey. It's a beautiful day, can't complain, vehicles are running fine. So we're ripping some burnouts there in the last little section of this video. It's pretty cool. That guy's bumping Kenny G running through the parking lots. Your team. For a pit stop. So we got some cars checking out this little joint here. Lots of classics. Car there. They're grilling. Gasser, it's pretty cool. Need a little stop. Now we're gonna go find a tire shop that Justin's at. Well, we made it. Nashville Superspeedway. Well, I guess I was going through this lane, but all right, cool, it works. We're here checking stuff out. Let's see what we get. So as you saw from the video there, we abandoned going in because we still had quite a lot of time yet to go on getting in. So I found this little spot here. We're gonna set up and watch some cars pull out. We got some shade and enjoy things. Johnny, met him, Toy Shop Fab. Go check him out. We talked last year. He stopped, said hello. You guys saw that? Got some other trucks here leaving. Got the Fall Guy truck over here. Got another square body, 70s, 74, I think. I don't know. I'll go look at it here in a minute. Trying to figure out other stuff. Still just waiting on all these others to get out here. Should be shortly. Then we're gonna go eat dinner. Bye. You better. I'll see you guys in a bit. See you in a bit. Want to see video? Well, good early morning to you all. It's the next day. Unfortunately, it's my last day of power tours yesterday. I gotta head back home and I have to get packed up. I'm already on the move. I'm on the road now for about an hour and I got a long journey ahead of me. So updates as they come along. I think Christopher is gonna try to get some more tour updates, post stuff daily as he can. I'll update when I can, when I get able to, I guess. But it's gonna do it for me for Hotrod Power Tour 2024. Had fun, had a blast, met a bunch of you guys. Yeah, it's always a good time. So if you haven't done Hotrod Power Tour, still have multi-day event passes that you can come get. So go ahead and grab those up, and we'll see you here soon. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment below, and we will see you in the next one.